still afraid of it. I think every day deep down, I think all the guys deep down they know. They're scared of the marathon. I'm scared of the marathon. In marathon, one is marathon. The night before, you're like, yeah, I hope everything goes well. It's a hope. Because if anything goes wrong after 30 days, you know what's going to happen. You're going to have to drag yourself to the finish line. If the body gives up on you, it will be hard. So I'll always respect the marathon because it can hammer you. If you don't respect it, it's so bad. And it doesn't hit just the body. If you don't run 1 month later, you're still depressed. Yeah, you're going to be kind of depression.